got to lose. Exploitation, an outdated economic model, centralisation, inequality, Westminster mismanagement, Trident. My goodness, they're really going to miss that, aren't they? And like you, I've been listening to all these debates quite closely. And some people want to make this about money. This is not about money. This is about independence from inequality, Westminster misrule, nuclear weapons. It's about independence, it's not about money. And it's not about the 1% either. Nobody needs those. So, let's see what it is about. It's about building a better country, a fairer country, a more democratic country, free from the war machines and the despicable people who make millions from them. It's about freedom from corruption, freedom from complacency, freedom from the condescension with which London treats the rest of the UK. And they're wheeling out what they think are the big guns. People like Deutsche Bank, the supermarkets, the 1%. We don't need them, we never asked for them, and Scotland will manage very nicely without all of them. And there's more than that. I'm a Green, I'm a very proud Green, and Scotland already has 65% of electricity coming from clean renewable energy. 65%! And they are well on course for 100% by 2020. That is a wonderful, sound economic footing on which to build your future. Wales, by contrast, with these people here, well, there are notable exceptions, of course, but if we've got 18%, it would be really saying something. They're not interested. All we get in Wales is hanging on to the old business models, the old economic models, the old fossil fuel companies and the fortunes and millions that are made by those very few people at the top. We have our own energy. In fact, we have 2 times the amount of renewable energy we could ever use. We should be exporting. We should have that sound economic footing. So yes, Greens everywhere. Go for it, Scotland. Go for it. Let's get rid of this neoliberal consensus which is mismanaging our money supplies, our manufacturing, our whole lives. Let's give it a poke in the eye and vote yes. Welsh Greens, stand tall with Scottish Greens. Grasp your freedom. Give them what they deserve. Your ability to work, live, and conduct your lives as an independent Scotland. Yes!